Alright guys, so today I got a blister pack of Paradox Rift. Now this set actually doesn't release until tomorrow, but I managed to find a couple packs at my local Walmart early. We got the little coin, little code card for you guys, and I actually don't even know what cards are in this set, but I'm excited to see some of these artworks. Hopefully we could get something good on this first pack. It's a pretty cool card right there. Hey, that one's dope. Let's go! We got that first pack magic on this set. That's a beautiful card right there.